Okay, so I was a complete idiot and got myself stuck in my ride-along mower, and I figured I'd take a ride on my skid steer to help pull me out. People ask me, what's the benefit of riding on your skid steer or outside instead of inside? And I can see everything perfectly. These are my controls, just like in a full size. Well, because it is a full size. I've been ripping up my track lately, so everything in here is super wet. You can see I sunk it good. I slid right off the embankment here, and then it just got wedged worse and worse. So I'll use the skid steer to pull it out. Yeah, look, see? This stuff. That's where I was doing mudding videos recently, and it's in there good. Tried to get out, there's no way, it's sunk in there. Look at my boots sinking in there. So, we'll back the skid steer up. We'll hook up a tow line, and we'll tow ourselves out. Not face down in the mud. Who's my good girl? Okay, so this is gonna have to have some finagling to it because I have to drive the lawnmower and the skid steer at the same time to get out. Dude, that is deep. Well, that was soaking wet. It'll need a thorough cleaning now. And that is why I have a radio control skid steer.